Okay, this is the third part of the web programming, chapter 1. Explain about the numbers. Okay, so in PHP, you can use both positive and negative numbers. Okay, maybe 10 is a positive, you can use negative also. Okay, common mathematical operators are used. This is the same thing like a C++. Okay, the mathematical operators are used. Okay, plus, minus, multiply, divide, and so on. Okay, and also the same rules of the operator precedence is used. Okay, so same rules like is C++, other programming scripting language. Okay, so this is a for example here. PHP open here and PHP close here. Okay, so these are the variable you set up. At the beginning, you must write the dollar when you declare the variable. So quantity, you mean the quantities are how many you want to buy. You want to buy 10. Unit price is that the one is for how much is the price for one. One price is the 45.5. Okay, so the one of the pieces you have to pay for 45.5, but you are going to buy. You can write it here total. So if you write total, okay, you have to echo output the total. So whatever you write here, you have to write here. Okay, so you are going to multiply the quantity, multiply with the unit price. So 10 multiply with 45.5. Okay, the output is going to be 4.5. Okay, so let's go and run these things in the PHP tester. Okay, so this is again, okay, phptester.net, PHP compiler here. Okay, so this is from the slide number 10 just now. PHP open, PHP close. Okay, we declare quantity and unit price. Okay, so with the $sign first here, we are going to buy 10. One is the 45.5 price. Okay, then we are going to calculate the total amount, how much you have to pay. Okay, so we multiply with the quantity with the unit price, and then we are going to echo its output. Okay, so we output the amount here. Then when you click here, okay, to test your PHP code, you will get 455. Okay, then multiply with 45.5, the total is the 455. Okay, so this is how we use the mathematical expression. Okay, so let's go back to the slide. Okay, so this is another slide number 11. Here are some built-in mathematical functions used in PHP. Okay, so you have to know here some of the words here. This is wrong. We already know whether this means the wrong here. It means the rounding. Okay, so 3.14, we are going to round. We don't want this after the dot, after the point form. So it is the rounding. So we are going to, we declare the N1 is a value is 3.14. But N1 is going to wrong. Okay, wrong N. Okay, so N1 means that new N1 is going to be this value you are going to wrong. So make sure you put here, this is the N1, the new one. But this N value is here, 3.14. So you are going to wrong this value. Okay, so the echo is going to be N1. Okay, not N here. You are going to encode the new value. This is N is the old value, 3.14, but you are going to output the new one, N1. Okay, you can write here new N, no problem. So if you write new N, you have to change here to new N. So we will see we don't want this dot found. So when we don't want this found, okay, near this dot, you have to check. What is the value here? This value is 1. So it is like less than 5. If 5 or more than 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then you have to increase 1. 3 will become 4. Okay, so again now, after the dot, check this number. This value is 1. 1 is less than 5. If this is, for example, 5, 4 or 5, 3, then you have to increase one number to here. 3 will become 4, 4 will become 5. Okay, you have to plus 1. This is called rounding. So you have to check there after the dot number. This number, okay, is 5 or more than 5. 5, 6, 7, then you have to increase 1 to this number. But now this is a less than 5, so the answer will be only 3. For example, if you change here 3.54, so this 3 become 4, because this, after the point, this value is 5 or more than 5. Okay, so this becomes 3. 4. 3 will become 4 if this number is more than 5. Okay, so what is another things here? Number format. This is another built-in function. If you use this number format, what is going to be here now? Okay, see, for example, the value we assign is a n value is 17963. 17963. Okay, so what is this mean 17963? Okay, so when we put the number here, but they want you, okay, they want the new and one is going to be number format, this one. You have to put the number format. Okay, what is number format mean? Number format means that at the back, you have to count 1, 2, 3. After that, you put the comma. For example, if you write 10,000, so at the back, they will count 1, 2, 3, then you put comma. Another 1, 2, 3, and comma. Another 1, 2, 3, comma. From the back, you are going to count here 1, 2, 3, and you put a comma. This is called the number format. See, when you write here number format, and then this n, this value, they are going to change to like this. 369 and then comma, and then after that 17. So if you have another 3 number or 4 number, they will write another comma. Okay, so this is how you are going to write the number format. How about the next one here? This is right again number format, but here you have a decimal here. You have a decimal. Okay, but what is a number format? You are going to change to number format, but you will take only 2 decimal. You will take only 2 decimals. So it means that after the dot, you will take only 2, then after 2, you will delete it. So the answer will be 3.14. Because of number 2 here, you take only after the dot, you take only 2 decimal places. So the answer is 3.14. But if you change here, and 1, 3, if you change to the 3, what it is going to happen? After the dot, you will take 1, 2, 3. So the answer will be 3.142 if you change to 3. But if you change to 1, what is the answer going to be? 3.1 only, because only you will take 1 decimal. Okay, so this, the last 3 will be. So you have to check this one, because now this is a 2, after the dot, you take 2 numbers. But if you change to 1, after the dot, only it will take 1. If you change to 3, after the dot, you will take 1, 2, 3. So this, the last one will be deleted. Okay. So let's go, okay, for the testing part. Okay, so this is from slide number 11. Okay, so look at the here. We declare the variable value is 3.14, and then we are going for wrong. Wrong thing means that we don't want this point. Okay, we are going to delete this point. So if you are going to delete this after the point, okay, the next number you have to check whether this is a 5 or more than 5. If 5, 6, 7, starting from 5, 6, 7, then you have to increase one number here. If this is a less than 5, you don't have to increase this number. So when you run this value here, click test to test your PHP code, the answer is going to be 3, because this is after the point, it is 1 here. So for example, I will change here this 1 to 5. So now look at here. This is this next number is 5. Okay. So as I say again, 5 or more than 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then you have to increase this 3 to plus 1. 3 will become 4. Okay. So check here. So the answer will be now 3 become, the answer is going to be 4, because this after the dot form is 5. So you have to add 1 to here. Okay. You have to increase 1. So 3 will become 4. Look at here. 3 will become 4. Okay, so but if you change here 4, 9, when you look at the 4, 9 here, so after the dot, 4, this is less than 5. Even though 49 is less than 5, it is not going to increase. The answer will be 3 here. As I say here, this must be more than 5. If 5 or more than 5. If less than 5, it is not going to increase. So the answer will be 3 only. See, when you click here, the answer is only 3. Okay, but again, just now I show you 5. Now let's see for 7. Because this is again more than 5, so the 3 will become 4. But I will change the number here. This is also 4. Now 4 is going to increase to 1. 4 plus 1 will be 5. The answer will be 5 because after the dot, this is more than 5. So you are going to add one number to here. So click here to test. It is going to be 4 plus 1. The answer is 5 here. Okay, so what is the next? The next one is going to be the number format. Okay, so let's check here for the number format. Okay. The number format, slide number 11 again. So we declare the value of n as a 17963. But we are going to change to the number format of this value, n value. So again, number format means that you have to count from the back 1, 2, 3, and then after the 3 digit, you have to put the comma. Okay, so after the 3 digit, you will put the comma. So check here, click. So here, see, after the 3, you put the comma. So now I will increase many numbers now. For example, I will put 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So now you have many numbers now. So how you are going to change to the number format? From the back, you check here 1, 2, 3, and then you will put comma. After that 1, 2, 3, you will put comma. After that 1, 2, 3, you will put comma. So this one will be left here. So that's why I say that you have to check 3 digit at the back. 3, comma, 3, comma. Okay, from the back. When you check here, see the number is going to be like this. From the back, 3, 2, 1, and then comma. Another 3 digit, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, comma. And then another one, 1, 2, 3, comma. So in front only you have 1. Okay, so this is how, okay, you change to the number form. Okay, so you are going to put the comma after the 3 digit from there. This is the number format, how you change. Okay, but if I have, for example, like I don't want this one number here. Okay, so if I delete this number, you don't have to put after this 3 comma. You don't have to put the first one. For example, here, if I change, I delete this one. Okay, so you have here comma after the 1. So if I delete this, after this 3 number, you cannot put comma because you don't have any number. Check here. Okay, so 769, after this 3, you cannot put the comma because there is no number. Okay, so when you check here, the answer will be here like this. After the 3, comma, after the 3, comma. But here you have a 3, but you cannot put the comma. There is no more number. Okay, so this is how you write the, okay, number format. Okay, so let's go for the other one, number format with the decimal places. Okay, number format with the decimal place. Okay, so if I change to the number format with the decimal place, let's see how it is going to be. So this is again, you have a here decimal. Okay, we declare the value of a n as a decimal 3.1423. Okay, so now we are going to change the number format of this one, but with only 2 decimal places. Because of these 2, we are going to cut 3.14. 14, we will take 2 after the decimal. So we are going to delete this last. Okay, so the answer will be 3.14 because of these 2. Okay, check here. Okay, 3.1. But if I change to the 3 here, if I change to the 3, So it means that after the dot, we will take 3 decimal places. Okay, so the answer will be 3.142. Only the last one is going to delete because the 3 means that we will take after the dot 3 decimal places. So this is like this. We take after the dot 3 decimal places, only the last one is changed. So when we change to here, okay, 1, what is going to be here? Okay, when we change to the 1, okay, so we will take only 1 decimal place after the dot. So the answer will be 3.10. Okay, see, 3.1. Okay, so this is how this built-in function is used. So you have to know how to use these things. Okay, so let's go back to the last slide. Okay, so this is the last slide. When you look at here, what is a constant? Okay, the value which cannot be changed. Constant means that the value which cannot be changed. Okay, so and here we use the define function for the constant value. Okay, so we declare like this define, okay, today is a Sunday. Make sure you put it here, single quotation or double quotation. So when you echo today here, the answer will be Sunday because echo today is Sunday. Okay, but if you change to here Monday, the answer will be Monday. Okay, so this is the same thing here. Okay, and here you write the small and then single quotation. But when you look at the here is all a capital letter, but double quotation here. So no problem. Whatever you write here, if small, write the small. If these are all the capital letter greeting, you write the greeting. You can put the single quotation or double quotation, no problem. It is the same thing. So welcome to SUC. So if you echo this greeting, the answer will be welcome to SUC. Okay? And here, what is the define? These are the number. The value of N1 equal to 3.1. So when you echo the N1, the answer will be 3.1 for this value. Okay, so these are the constant value. It cannot be changed. Okay, so let's go and run. Okay. Okay, so this is the things. This is slides number 12, the last slides. Okay, so we define today as a Sunday. So when we echo today, the answer is Sunday. But you can change here, no problem. Not the single quotation. If you change to double quotation, also no problem here. The same answer will be there because the PHP accept the string as a double quotation or single quotation. And here, okay. So when you click here, the same thing, the answer is okay. You can change, okay, single or double, no problem. So you have to echo. If you echo today, it is a Sunday. Okay, so what is the next? The next one say that define that N1. Okay, sorry. You have to define the N1. Okay. Okay. The value of N1 equal to 3.14. So you are going to echo this N1 here. Okay, N1. So when you run, what is the answer would be 3.14. Because you say the echo N1, the value has a constant value 3.1. The answer will be 3.1. What is the last one? Last one is a greeting. Just now I already explained quotation with a greeting. Okay, so let's check this one. Okay, so you define the greeting as a welcome to SUC. Okay, this is not, sorry. This is a, let me minus it because it is a bigger size now. Okay, so I make it a smaller a little bit. So this is the define greeting, welcome to SUC. Okay, so make sure you have here, you close it and then you have to put the semicolon here. Okay, so when you echo the greeting, you have to write whatever is the first here. Okay, because you must write the layer here as a bigger, so you have to write the bigger. You cannot change to smaller. Okay, edit, copy, edit. Okay, the same thing you must write it. So what the answer will be at the back one will come to as you see here. Click here. What is this? Or you shouldn't put it this. Okay, so these are how you declare the constant. Okay, so this is that you have to know. Okay, these are all the from the chapter one. Okay, thank you.